Now, Srimati Jaya Bachchan.
अरे वाह सर, ये this is really strange because every time I get an opportunity to speak, you are always on the chair. हाँ? अभी सौभाग्य समझूं या भाग्य समझूं मैं नहीं बता सकती।
ये बैठ रहे हम समझ गए आपका नंबर आना।
मैं संजय जी से कहना चाहती हूँ कि मखाना आप भेजिए, मगर हम लोगों को पॉपकॉर्न खाना पड़ेगा। अभी जो डील हुआ है
पॉपकॉर्न की जगह मखाना ले लीजिए, बदल के।
Sir, I'm not a numbers expert, but there are some basic queries that I have, which I think are important, and I need some clarifications. My first query is, what percentage of the budget has been allocated for job creation of 3.1 crore unemployed youth? I believe a lot of promises have been made to this sector and this section of the population. My second query is, what are the provisions made for 76% educated unemployed women in the budget? My third query pertains to the field I'm a member of, Indian entertainment industry. This industry is not only one of the largest contributors to the economy, but also has some of the highest taxpayers in the country. Additionally, they are the true cultural ambassadors internationally of the country. Despite these contributions, the entertainment tax and GST levied on films remain among the highest in the world. Through you, sir, I'd like to know what provisions have been made in this budget to ease the tax burden on this industry and support its growth. Otherwise, we'll only be watching films and television programs from the rest of the world except India. Because today the industry is in such a bad condition, it is very, very difficult for them to fund a project which can come on OTT or which can come on the cinema theaters. My fourth query, sir, is our senior citizens, who are the pillars of this society, surviving on a meager 200 rupees a month for those aged between 60 and 79, and 500 rupees for those over 80. This was under Indira Gandhi National Old Age Pension Scheme. With Budget 2026, keeping allocations frozen, letting inflation silently erode their dignity and security, इस तरह से भारत का विकास तो नहीं होने वाला सर. And this is the second time I'm saying the same thing. Last year I had repeated the same thing and I'm repeating it again, hoping that I will be heard. Thank you.